Rhoss TEMA app. Control your fan coils wherever you are. Before you start, one important step. Your Rhoss fan coil must have the Wi-Fi gateway installed. That's what allows it to communicate with the app. If you're not sure, ask whoever installed it. Download Rhoss TEMA from the App Store or Google Play. It's free, available for iOS and Android. Open the app and create your account. Add your first home. Give it any name you like and save. Add the rooms, assign a name to each one. Then pair your fan coil by simply moving close to the device.
Connect to your home Wi-Fi and enable Bluetooth on your smartphone. Before proceeding, turn off the fan coil. Disconnect the power for a few seconds, then turn it back on. The app is ready to detect it. You can customize the name of each paired device, so you always know which one you're controlling. With the Rhoss TEMA app, you can manage multiple environments: your home, the office, a second home, multiple rooms, and different fan coils, all organized and at your fingertips.
Schedule your calendars and customize your presets. Adjust temperature and mode remotely. Set your weekly schedule. For example, create a winter calendar. Choose your preferred preset, set the temperature, select heating mode, and define the time slot when it should be active. Save, and you're done. In summer, it works the same way. Switch to cooling mode, and if you like, set the fan to maximum for instant comfort. Then, share access with whoever you want with a simple link. Download Rhoss TEMA. Comfort in your hands wherever you are.